Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting and practical. How to transfer XRP to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know XRP is a fast and efficient digital asset, and Phantom is one of the most user-friendly wallets out there for managing your coins. Whether you're looking to consolidate your holdings or just explore new wallet features, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need your XRP stored in a compatible wallet like the XRP Toolkit or an exchange that supports XRP withdrawals. Also, ensure that Phantom is installed on your device. It's available for both mobile and desktop. If you haven't set up Phantom yet, download it from the official App Store and create a new wallet. Remember, always double-check that you're using the legitimate app to avoid any security risks. Alright, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open your current XRP wallet or exchange account. Log in securely and navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. Here, you'll need to select XRP as the asset you're transferring. Step 2. Enter the recipient address. This is crucial. Copy the address directly from your Phantom wallet. To find it, open Phantom, go to your wallet overview, and tap on Receive. It might look something like a long string of letters and numbers starting with R for XRP. Double-check this to prevent any loss of funds. Step 3. Set the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. XRP transactions are usually cheap, but they can vary. Once you've entered the amount, add a memo or tag if your wallet requires it. Phantom might need this for proper crediting. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. Take a moment to verify everything: address, amount, and fees. Hit Send, and wait for the confirmation. Depending on the network, this could take just a few seconds. Finally, once it's done, head back to your Phantom wallet and refresh it. You should see your XRP balance updated. In 2025, with evolving blockchain tech, always stay updated on any new protocols or bridges that might make this even smoother. There you have it, folks. That's how you transfer XRP to Phantom. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.